Maximum number of lone pairs on central atom. SCl4. We worked out earlier. SeCl4. SeCl4, SCl4 same. It is seesaw shape. Earlier we have worked out sp3 dehybridization. Seesaw shape. One lone pair. It is AB4E type. Seesaw shape. One lone pair. So here it is one lone pair. This we have worked out sp3 dehybridization. Three lone pair. Linear molecule. Few minutes back we have seen sp3 dehybridization AB2E3 type. AB2E3 type. So this molecule is AB4E type and this molecule is AB2E3 type. What about this? This is sp3D2 hybridization and this molecule is AB4E2 type. So two lone pairs. And what about this? This we have worked out earlier. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. And the molecule is AB2E2 type. Two lone pair. So the answer is B. There are maximum number of lone pairs in second choice and all the molecules we have already worked out. Okay.